Our team is going to give you a brief overview of the application iMovie. If you have an Apple or Macintosh computer, you're able to access this free of charge. So once you locate iMovie on your laptop, it will open up and look such as this. You have the option to open up a previous project and or create new. In this case, we're going to click create new. And then you have two options. You can create a movie, which is a traditional editing piece, or a simple cut up trailer. They kind of give you the template and you can go from there. We're going to go straight to movie. When I click on that, it opens up the platform and it looks like this. The project interface consists of our project media area, and then over here it has different tabs. You have My Media, your audio video, titles, backgrounds, transitions. Up at the top, you have the options of going back to projects. Here, you can show or hide our media library. And this is an awesome button. This is where you click to import video, photos, or anything from your computer that you wish to bring into iMovie to edit. You can also click that same button here, and over to the right, this will display anything that you are editing on your timeline. Your timeline is right here in this area. And that's our brief overview. In our next session, we will get into clicking and uploading documents and starting your first awesome iMovie movie. I hope you enjoyed this.